Hello everyone, I hope that you all are good and fine. So in today's session, we will solve this question number 8. Okay, question number 8 is stating that Shyama bought 5 kg and 300 gram of apple. Okay, this is the weight of apple that Shyama is bringing. Okay, now next it is saying that and 3 kg and 250 gram of mangoes. Okay, Shyama is a girl, so who is going to the market and bringing 5 kg and 300 gram of apple and then 3 kg 250 gram of mangoes. Now question is saying about Sarala. Sarala is another girl who is going to the market and bringing how much? 4 kg and 800 gram of oranges and then 4 kg and 150 gram of bananas. So the question is asking you that who bought more fruit? किसने ज़्यादा फल लाए? ये क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा है. Okay, so here what we will do, we will perform the operation same as we solved question number 7, students. Okay, what we will do, first we will add all the fruits or weight of the fruit that Shyama is bringing, and then we will add the weight of the fruits that Sarala is bringing, and then after adding both we will compare both the weight, that which one is greater, so the number whose value will be or the weight which will be greater, so we can conclude that who has brought more fruit. ठीक है, जिसके वजन ज़्यादा होंगे वो ज़्यादा फ्रूट्स लाए, हम ये आसानी से कंक्लूड कर सकते हैं आफ्टर परफॉर्मिंग द ऑपरेशन. सो नाउ लेट अस स्टार्ट सॉल्यूशन ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन स्टूडेंट्स एंड सी द कैलकुलेशन. ओके, सो total fruits bought by, here we will start with solution. Total weight of fruits bought by Shyama first. Okay, so here we will add both the. Now see students, here it has been given 5 kg and 300 gram, then 3 kg, and so right here 5 kg and 300 gram plus how much? 3 kg and 250 gram. So if you will add them students, then how much you will get? So you add them. I hope that you are, it is clearly visible now. 300 gram, yes, it is clearly visible. Okay, so add them, then you will get the total weight of the fruit that Shyama is bringing from the market. Okay, now if you will add them students, 0 plus 0 you will get 0, 0 plus 5 you will get 5. Okay, then 3 plus 2 you will get 5. Okay, this one will be gram, and then 5 plus 3, here you will get kg. So total weight of the fruit that Shyama is bringing, we just calculated, is 8 kg and 550 gram. Now let us in the same manner, let us calculate the total weight of, now here total weight of fruits bought by, you don't adopt this shortcut method, okay, since I have to save the time, okay, so that you also, your time will not be also wasted. If I will send you a small clip, then your time, my time, everyone's time will be saved. So you don't adopt this shortcut method, okay, in my upcoming videos also. So total weight of the fruit bought by Sarala is how much students? It is 4 kg and 800 gram. 4 kg and 800 gram. So add it to 4 kg and 4 kg and 100 and how much? 50 gram. 50 gram. Okay, now add them again. So 0 plus 0 you will have 0, 0 plus 5 again you will have 5, 8 plus 1 you will have 9, and here it will be gram only. Now here if you will add 4 plus 4, 8, it will be kg. Now here we can see students that here we are having the total weight of the fruit bought by Shyama, how much? 8 kg 550 gram. Okay, and total weight of the fruit bought by Sarala is 8 kg and 950 gram. Now if you will write it in decimal, then how we will write it students? 8.550. So you need not to do this. For making you understand in more detail, I am doing this step. Okay, now here if you will convert it in decimal, then you will write 8.950. Now if you will compare these numbers, students, then you will have obviously which one will greater. See, before decimal both are same, after decimal here 5 and here 9, and hence this one is greater number. For making you understand, I did this step, you need not to do it. Okay, now if you are having that much of capability to decide here after looking to these calculated values, then you can decide. Okay, so we just concluded, students, we just got that this value is greater, and hence that girl Sarla will bring more fruits. Okay, so this was your question number 8, students. I hope that you might have understood. Thank you for connecting with me.